Masada. The ancient fortress Masada in the Judean desert was built in 30 BC by King Herod, Roman Jewish client king of Judea. It is one of the most visited attractions in Israel and is situated on the top of an isolated rock plateau with an extreme height of 450 meters. It is a part of Masada National Park and provides visitors with a breathtaking view of the world-famous 20-kilometer distant Dead Sea. For hiking adventurers, there are two path options to the top, both very steep. Snake Path from the eastern side gains around 300 meters in elevation. The ancient Roman ramp path has a smaller but still challenging elevation gain and is accessed from the western side of the mountain. Considering the local climate and hot temperatures, we recommend that you save your strength for a unique tour and use the cable car, which will transport you comfortably in a few minutes from the tourist center at the foot of the mountain to its top. As soon as you leave the cable car station, your exploration can begin in the impressive northern complex. When King Herod built the fortress as an emergency refuge in case of a coup, he heavily fortified Masada and created a beautiful hinterland inside, reminiscent of Roman palace culture. In addition to many warehouses and administrative buildings, there is also a large Roman-style public bath with a 1st century BC caldarium, room with a hot plunge bath using an underfloor heating system. In this section, you should also visit the Northern Palace, the most impressive structure remaining. It is built on 3 rock terraces. The upper terrace, used as a residence, was Herod's private quarters. There were 4 grand bedrooms and a large semicircular, colonnaded balcony allowing spectacular views of the Dead Sea. The middle terrace had 2 concentric walls with columns and indicate a religious cultic purpose. The third and the lowest terrace was intended for entertainment and relaxation. This place even had its private bathhouse decorated with beautiful frescoes of multicolored geometrical patterns or painted in imitation of cut marble. On the western side of the fortress is the largest building in Masada, Western Palace, covering over 4,000 square meters. It used to serve as the main administrative center of this area, as well as the king's ceremonial palace. In addition to the royal apartment, there is also King Herod's throne room. In the whole complex, including Western Palace, were discovered many gorgeous, colorful floor mosaics full of floral and geometric patterns, typical for Roman and Byzantine periods. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more in the future, leave a comment, give a like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.